In this question, they are saying a copper wire has a length of 2 meter. That means length is given to you as 2 meter. Cross sectional area, that means area, is given as 0.5 millimeter ka square. Now here milli stands for what? 10 raised to power minus 3, but यहाँ पे millimeter square है. So in that scenario, 10 raised to power minus 3, 10 raised to power minus 3 will be equivalent to what? 10 raised to power minus 6 meter square. Moving further, it is given as resistivity, that means rho is given to you. How much it is? 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8 ohm meter. So now they are asking calculate the resistance of another wire made up of same material. So they are actually asking you the resistance of another wire. So I am going to represent that wire as R hyphen. Okay. Moving further, they have asked you कि they have given the condition कि जो other wire है it is of same material whose length is twice. So that means rho same है, but what is the condition over here? Length is something which is twice of the whatever the wire we have in the first one. And also they have stated कि they have a same cross sectional area. अब सेकेंड वाला डिटरमाइन करना है, बट उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें फर्स्ट का रेजिस्टेंस क्लियर होना चाहिए. देन ओनली वी कैन मूव टू द सेकेंड वन. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस फॉर्मूला. सो आई होप यू ऑल नो कि रेजिस्टेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेंथ, एरिया एंड रेजिस्टिविटी, हमारे पास जो फॉर्मूला है इट इज आर रो, आर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू रो एल अपॉन ए. Okay, so let's put the value and try to solve this. So we have 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8. Then we have length as 2 and area जो है मेरा वो कितना है? It is 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Is it clear? Okay, let's simplify this further. Now 1.7 into 2, can we write this as 3.4? Then we have 10 raised to power minus 8 and denominator में मेरे पास क्या है? 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 6. That is very obvious कि you can cancel out minus 6 and minus 8. What would be left? Minus 2 on the upper side. Moving further, you have to divide this and check how much it would be coming. So we have 3.4. इसको divide करना है 0.5 से. Okay. If you are not good with decimals, you can take the decimals. So ये कुछ हो जाएगा 0.5, it would be simply 5. So here we have 5, and in this case what it is left? 10 raised to power minus 2. So what I have, it would be around 5 something 6.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2, which we can further write as 0.068 ohm. Okay, तो ये कौन सी कंडीशन है? दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द ओल्डर वन. नाउ मुझे नए वाले का चाहिए, नया द न्यू वन. सो फॉर न्यू वन दे हैव स्टेटेड कि इट इज़ ऑफ सेम मटेरियल बट इसका जो लेंथ है इट इज़ ट्वाइस द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर. तो इन दैट केस लुक how to go with these types of sum. Firstly, write down the whatever the given condition, R is equals to rho L upon A. Okay, I'm marking this as equation number 1. अभी हमने सेकेंड वाले को कुछ ऐसे सिंबलाइज किया है जहाँ पे रो सेम है बट जो लेंथ दिया है इट इज ट्वाइस एंड क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया इज समथिंग सेम. ओके, सो नाउ टेक द कांस्टेंट नंबर्स like ahead and whatever the left it is, take it back side. Can we say rho L upon A is equivalent to what? R. So that means twice of whatever the initial resistance was. अब हमको initial resistance already पता है, that means 0.068. So but obviously you will be multiplying this by what? 2. Okay, so you will be multiplying this by 2. So you'll be getting 0.136 ohm. So this is the resistance of that new wire. I hope you all are clear with the solution. In case if you have any doubt, so you can reach to us. Thank you.